Can I use multiple smaller beams to span a 24 feet distance instead of a single large beam?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to delve into a fascinating topic in the world of structural engineering. We're asking and answering the question, can I use multiple smaller beams to span a 24 feet distance instead of a single large beam?
Why would you want to use multiple beams?
Before we dive into whether you can use multiple beams, it's important to understand why you might want to do this in the first place. Some reasons include cost-effectiveness, availability of materials, and ease of installation. However, it's crucial to remember that the overall structural integrity and safety of the building must not be compromised.
Can you use multiple beams?
The simple answer is yes. You can use multiple smaller beams to span a 24 feet distance. However, it's not as straightforward as it sounds. The design and installation have to be carefully engineered. For instance, you will need to consider the load distribution, beam spacing, connection methods, and possibly use supporting columns or piers depending on the design.
What are the considerations when using multiple beams?
When using multiple beams, there are several factors to take into account. 1. Beam spacing. The beams need to be evenly spaced to distribute the load equally. The exact spacing will depend on your specific project. 2. Connection method. The beams must be properly connected to each other and to the structure. This might involve the use of connectors like joist hangers or post caps. 3. Support. In some cases, you might need to use intermediate supports, like columns or piers, to support the beams. 4. Load distribution. This is perhaps the most critical factor. The load that each beam can carry depends on its size and material. The combined load of all the beams should be able to support the total load of the structure.
What are the potential problems?
While using multiple smaller beams can be a viable solution, it also comes with potential problems. For one, there's a risk of uneven load distribution. If one beam takes on more load than it's designed to handle, it could fail, leading to serious structural problems. Also, the connections between the beams could become weak points if not properly designed and installed. In conclusion, while it's certainly possible to use multiple smaller beams to span a 24 feet distance, it requires careful design and execution. Always consult with a professional structural engineer to ensure your project is safe and structurally sound. We hope this video has been informative and helps you better understand the complexities involved in this aspect of structural engineering. Until next time, stay curious and keep building.